Number 15. The Aeronext Flying Gondola is a revolutionary personal aircraft that redefines urban air mobility with its futuristic design and focus on comfort, stability, and ease of use. Unlike traditional drones or flying cars, this unique aerial vehicle features a suspended cabin, or gondola, that hangs beneath a multi-rotor propulsion system, ensuring an exceptionally smooth and stable ride by keeping the passenger compartment level, even during sharp turns or changes in altitude. Designed with advanced 4D gravity technology, the flying gondola intelligently controls the aircraft's center of gravity, providing a natural, car-like experience in the sky. This one-person aircraft prioritizes passenger safety with a fully enclosed, transparent cabin that offers panoramic views while protecting from the elements. Compact in size and designed for short-distance urban transport. Number 14, the Jetson 1, is a groundbreaking personal electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft that brings the dream of personal flight into the hands of everyday users, offering an exhilarating and intuitive way to soar above the ground. Sleek and compact, its design centers around a tandem array of rotors that provide stable lift while surrounding an open, ultralight aluminum frame, giving riders a sense of openness and direct connection to the sky. This single-seater aircraft is powered by an electric propulsion system that delivers a quiet, eco-friendly flight experience with zero emissions. Its responsive joystick control and intuitive flight interface make piloting as natural as riding. A motorcycle, allowing users to easily manage altitude, speed, and direction. Safety is built into every facet of the Jetson 1. From a low flight ceiling that minimizes risk to redundant battery systems ensuring reliability throughout the flight. With a range of around 20-25 minutes per charge and a cruising speed of approximately 60 km/h, it's perfect for quick urban hops, island excursions. Number 13, the Xpeng Voyager X2 is a sleek, next-generation two-seater electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) personal aircraft that merges cutting-edge aerodynamics and practical design to bring urban flight to everyday users. With its minimalist, teardrop-shaped carbon fiber fuselage and enclosed cockpit, the X2 offers panoramic visibility while maintaining cabin comfort and protection. Powered by 8 electric motors and propellers, and supported by distributed electric propulsion, this aircraft ensures safety through redundancy, allowing safer landings even if one motor fails. It can cruise at up to 130 km/h for approximately 35 minutes per flight, covering enough range for urban commutes or scenic trips. Designed to fit within a standard parking space and maneuvered on the ground via detachable wheeled dollies, the Voyager X2 blends the practicality of a car with the freedom of flight. It features both manual and fully autonomous flight modes, with intelligent systems such as 4G, 5G communication, spherical environment detection, autonomous return and landing routines, ground monitoring feeds, omnidirectional cameras. Number 12, the EHang EH216 is a pioneering two-seat autonomous eVTOL personal aircraft that redefines short-range urban air travel with its futuristic safety-first design. This sleek multi-copter, built from lightweight carbon fiber composites, and supported by 16 independent electric motors and propellers arranged on 8 arms, offers exceptional stability and redundancy. If a motor or propeller fails, the remaining ones ensure a safe landing. Capable of cruising at about 100 km/h and reaching a top speed of approximately 130 km/h, the EH216 can cover roughly 35 km in one flight, lasting around 21 minutes. Its enclosed cabin features panoramic windows, gull-wing doors, and fixed skid landing gear, offering comfort, visibility, and easy boarding. Designed to operate fully autonomously, it integrates advanced flight control systems with multiple sensors, including visual, millimeter-wave radar, GPS, and inertial navigation, supported by real-time connection to EHang's intelligent command and control network, enabling seamless obstacle avoidance and optimized routing. Number 10, the Volocopter 2X is a visionary personal aircraft that fuses advanced engineering with user-friendly design to offer a two-seat, optionally piloted electric multicopter tailored for urban flight. Featuring a unique circular rotor, array of 18 fixed-pitch propellers powered by 9 independent batteries. Number 9, the Fly Now E-Copter is an elegantly efficient electric personal aircraft that reimagines urban mobility with simplicity, sustainability, and safety at its core. Suspended below a coaxial rotor system, a set of 2 counter-rotating rotors, its cabin remains stably gravity inert, offering serene ride quality over the buzz of typical drone designs. Compact and lightweight thanks to its carbon fiber cabin, fixed-pitch rotors, and minimal components, the e-copter achieves a top speed of approximately 130 km/h and a flight endurance of around 30 minutes, or roughly 50 km on a full charge. It accommodates one passenger, plus luggage, and higher payload variants, yet remains whisper quiet, just 55 dB at typical flight altitude, making it well-suited for inner-city routes without disturbing residents. Emphasizing reliability, the e-copter employs redundant electric motors, each rotor driven by multiple units so that even with failure it can safely land, as well as collision and bird avoidance sensors and preset autopilot routes that ensure precision navigation. Positioned for regulatory ease by fitting into existing electric helicopter categories, the aircopter aims to launch commercial operations by 2026, initially for cargo and later for passengers, with fares expected to rival standard taxi services. It's not just a concept, it's a practical step toward quiet, zero-emission, three-dimensional urban travel, bringing personal flight into everyday reach. Number 8. The Kitty Hawk Flyer is an innovative single-seat electric eVTOL personal aircraft designed to give users a taste of effortless flight, particularly over water. Weighing under 254 pounds to comply with U.S. ultralight regulations, it sports 10 battery-powered rotors mounted above a streamlined waterproof cockpit molded in composite material, with buoyant pontoons beneath, allowing water takeoffs and landings. Number 7. The Copter Pack is an audacious leap into the future of personal aviation, blending the thrill of drone flight with the intimacy of wearable technology. Worn like a backpack and built with a lightweight carbon fiber honeycomb frame, it features 2 ducted rotors, each roughly a meter in diameter, mounted on a central axle that can tilt independently to control thrust direction. Inside its compact fuselage lies lithium-ion battery power, managed by a self-leveling autopilot that stabilizes the rider even during complex maneuvers. Piloting happens through twin joysticks integrated into armrests, enabling intuitive forward, backward, and lateral movement, while high-visibility LED lights assist night navigation. Despite limited publicly revealed range and endurance figures, Number 6. The Terrafugia TFX is an ambitious 4-seat hybrid electric VTOL flying car concept that promises to blend the convenience of driving with the freedom of flight. Sleek enough to fit in a standard garage, it features a pair of retractable wings with electric tilt propeller pods and a ducted rear fan, enabling true vertical takeoff and landing from a small 30-meter clearing. Powered by a plug-in hybrid system that combines twin electric motors with a 300 HP fuel engine, the TFX can cruise at about 200 mph, 320 km/h, and cover up to 500 miles, 800 kilometers, on a single flight. Its advanced fly-by-wire and autonomous flight systems allow automatic takeoff, navigation, obstacle and weather avoidance, and auto-landing, though a human pilot can always override controls. Training is designed to take as little as 5 hours, far less than a traditional pilot's license, and safety is further enhanced by a full vehicle parachute and built-in redundancies. With a range and speed rivaling jet aircraft, yet compact enough for everyday roads, the TFX exemplifies a bold step toward making personal aerial commuting a practical reality. Number 5. The Modular Skycar is a legendary yet elusive personal VTOL vehicle, envisioned as a 4-seat flying car powered by a quartet of tilting ducted fan pods, each housing twin Wankel rotary rotor-power engines designed to hover and cruise with unparalleled vertical takeoff and landing capability. Its sleek, automotive-like body conceals folding wings and a T-tail, enabling it to transition from lift to forward flight gracefully, while computer-controlled vanes direct thrust as needed. Modular claimed a cruise speed over 200 mph at sea level, peaking above 300 mph at altitude. Number 4. The Kitty Hawk Heaviside is a cutting-edge single-seat eVTOL aircraft that brings personal flight closer to reality with its ultra-efficient, low-noise design. Powered entirely by batteries, this one-person flying machine employs 8 tilting, variable-pitch electric propellers, 6 mounted along its forward-swept main wing and 2 on a smaller canard up front, that provide smooth vertical takeoffs, silent hover, and swift transitions to forward flight. Reaching speeds of up to 200 plus mph, it can cover around 100 miles on a single charge, all while emitting a whisper-quiet noise signature as low as 38 dBA at altitude. thanks to its sleek aerodynamics and distributed propulsion system. Heavy-sides, forward-swept wing, and light composite airframe optimize lift and energy usage, making it as efficient as a car, yet far faster. While its intelligent flight control system handles the heavy lifting. Number 3. The Xpeng Aero HT Modular Flying Car, often dubbed the land aircraft carrier, is a visionary personal aviation system that seamlessly integrates ground and air mobility into a single, intuitive vehicle. At its heart lies a two-seat eVTOL multicopter with 6 VTOL propellers and 2 ducted fans, powered by 8 electric motors and compact battery packs. It unfolds automatically from the back of a rugged 6-wheel hybrid electric van, which doubles as both transport and launch pad. Once released and with its arms and rotors deployed, the airborne module can be piloted manually via a single joystick or flown autonomously, offering panoramic visibility through wraparound glass and delivering the thrill of flight without sacrificing redundancy or safety. Meanwhile, number 2. The Air One is a sleek and sporty 2-seat electric eVTOL aircraft designed for individual owners who want to drive the skies with ease and style. With 8 rotors and motors mounted on a fixed wing, it effortlessly transitions from vertical lift to forward flight, reaching cruising speeds of about 155 mph, around 250 km/h, and covering up to 110 miles, about 177 kilometers, on a single charge. Its intuitive, fly-by-intent TM control system lets pilots direct it with a single joystick, while onboard avionics handle stability, speed, altitude, and obstacle avoidance, enabling new pilots to learn in just minutes. Designed to be practical, its wings fold in just 5 minutes and fit easily in standard trailers or a garage, and it charges from 20% to 80% in just 30 minutes using standard EV fast chargers. Built with safety in mind, the Air One includes distributed electric propulsion for redundancy, a whole aircraft ballistic parachute, energy-absorbing seats, and modern fly envelope protection to keep flights both thrilling and secure. With a generous 550 lb, 250 kg payload capacity and advanced features including 2-seat tandem controls, this electric air vehicle brings practical, everyday personal flying, a thrilling step closer to reality. Number 1. The EHang 184 is a trailblazing single-passenger autonomous aerial vehicle that transforms the idea of personal flight into a hands-free, fully electric experience. Sporting a compact frame with 4 foldable arms and 8 rotors, it fits in a standard parking space when grounded and can launch vertically without the need for a runway. Passengers simply enter their destination on a 12-inch touchscreen tablet, press takeoff, and the aircraft's multiple redundant flight control systems guide it safely through the air, handling navigation, obstacle avoidance, and landing via real-time data from diverse sensors including GPS, LiDAR, and cameras, all monitored by a command and control center via 4G/5G link. With a maximum speed around 100 km/h, 62 mph, up to 23 to 25 minutes of flight time per charge, and a range of approximately 20-40 km depending on conditions, the 184 offers short-range urban trips with 0 emissions. Its carbon fiber composite cabin includes creature comforts like air conditioning, Wi-Fi, and intuitive fail-safes. For instance, a one-click hover hold or automatic return-to-land function if a fault is detected. Built specifically to operate without requiring a pilot's license, empowered by full system redundancy and emergency protocols, the EHang 184 embodies an ambitious leap toward democratized, on-demand personal flight above congested cities.